In the beginning of January, I launched a 10-day challenge to landing your first client. The success was amazing. To this day, I'm still getting messages of people who've gone through that training and landed a client, 2 clients, 5 clients, and the results keep coming in. And that is why in this video, I want to announce something special and something I'm extremely excited for. So if you've ever wanted to find a simpler way to starting your marketing agency and a better way to not only find clients, but offer a very simple service and to learn how to increase the value of each client so you don't have to go out there and find 10, 15, 20, 30 clients to make any money, I'm going to announce this right now. So let's get into it. At the end of February, I've partnered up with GoHighLevel to bring to you guys a 3-day workshop on how we're utilizing a simple service for local businesses with helping them get more reviews to create a high-ticket marketing agency that you can create from scratch. Within these 3 days, I'm going to be talking about the best niche and how to choose it, the best service and how to run it, the best offer and how to build it. By the end of day 1, you will never question the niche, the service, or the offer ever again for your business. I'm also going to be giving away a snapshot of an agency website that you can utilize, as well as a prospecting training so you never go hungry. On day 2, I'm going to be talking all about this service, how to set it up, and how to utilize it within GoHighLevel. By the end of day 2, not only are you going to be a professional on how to offer this service and run this service and fulfill on this service, but you're going to get a snapshot so you don't even have to set it up yourself. And on day 3, most people think that I would be talking about scaling. The beautiful thing about this business is that you don't need to scale to make a lot of money. 5 clients will change your life, and I'm going to show you exactly how to increase the client value, what services to offer to increase that value, how to fulfill on those services, and how to use GoHighLevel's SaaS configurator to make this a no-brainer. And at the end of day 3, I'm going to be offering 13 done-for-you funnels already set up, proven to work, along with all the automations and follow-ups that they have. In addition, I'm also going to be sharing the trainings behind the 2 additional services that you can utilize to create your high-ticket agency. To register, just click the button down below, and I'm excited to share with you a very simple but powerful way to run your marketing agency with a very simple service and how to turn that service into high-ticket using GoHighLevel. We'll see you there. Bye-bye.